We'll guide you through how to deploy a Vercel application with Supabase integration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and navigate to vercel.com. You need to log in or create an account if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, click on the New Project button. Here, you can import your project directly from GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Make sure your project is linked to one of these platforms. After selecting your repository, click Import. Now it's time to configure your project settings. Scroll down to the Environment Variables section. This is where you'll integrate Supabase. You'll need your Supabase URL and the anon key. Go to your Supabase dashboard, find your project, and go to the Settings tab. Under API, you'll see your URL and anon key. Copy these and return to Vercel. Enter these details as environment variables, Supabase URL and Supabase anon key. Once done, click Deploy. Vercel will start building your project and, in a few moments, your application will be live on a generated URL. You can check the deployment status on your Vercel dashboard. If you need to make changes, push them to your repository and Vercel will automatically redeploy your project. For databases, ensure your Supabase database is set up with the necessary tables and data, as Vercel will fetch data based on your API calls. Remember to test your app thoroughly after deployment to ensure everything interacts as expected. This setup allows you to harness the power of serverless functions and a managed PostgreSQL database, which is perfect for scalable applications. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.